So I'm riding in my dad's, the OG's G. It's like a 90, I think 96, something like that. I like it. It's a stick, of course, you know, the two-door hard top. Got the OG in front of me. But let's do this, man. We're heading over to go get the 49. Haven't seen it in over a year. We bought a whole bunch of wild spray, so that's exciting. What's not exciting is the fact that I'm all beat up now. So this should be interesting. Two old men trying to get this thing out of what we call the hole, and I will show you the hole in a second. So the light's about to change, and I can't shift and record at the same time. So this is us getting this thing loaded up and transported back. Well, not back, but to its home. My last vehicle I need to transport from up here. So bittersweet, but it's what it is. All right, light's about to change, so I'll see y'all guys when we get there. This has got to be the longest light, or we missed it or something, because this is crazy. We still sitting here. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm about to go bust a Yui. I'm about to go up here, bust a Yui, and come back, because we're heading that way. And this light's been in there forever. See? Look, this light. But then again, I could go off-roading right here, and then I don't know what's up. See, everybody behind me is going, oh shit.
Alright. You sure you don't want to try to get a truck and put this on and haul it?
Huh?
You sure you want to try to get a trailer and put it on and haul it?
Yeah, I can't. It'll make no difference.
Why not?
Because the trailer, I will have to get a truck also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was you just got finished telling me.
Yeah. That's why I said I'm waiting until I get them replaced.
Okay.
Woo.
I don't know if you're going to get a good
And we're going to have to back it out.
Huh?
I could pull it out, I guess.
You can pull it out there. I was going to say,
I haven't seen this outside the garage.
Huh?
I haven't seen it outside the garage.
No, me neither.
He seen me. It took me riding one time. You gotta come down so I can take you riding. We got a lot of. No, I don't.
Okay. It's all going you.
Whew. No, it ain't. You supposed to be like pointing and telling.
Moving. We say coming down.
This is day 2. We got this thing running. Had a. What's that? Can't hear you. It's the OG right here. You know what you're doing now, don't you? Us? Come on, girl, roll. That thing ain't locking up. Yeah. What you call a 3 on the tree. This is an OG driving an OG. Come on back. Huh? Yeah, keep turning left, turning left. All right, straighten out. Straight. Turn more to your right. The alignment's off. You trying to get on the concrete? All right, cut it right, cut it right. All right. Now, unless you want to put it back more.
How much more room I got back there?
You can move back about 4 more feet, because we can still move it, right? Come on back, come on back. Come on back, yeah, all right. That's safe right there. That's good, is that good? Is that okay?
Pop the hood, John. Pull up your down before.
Huh?
Pop the hood.
All right, so my dad, he broke the top to the reservoir for the brake. It wasn't me.
No,
There's a piece right there. It's aluminum. Nah, it's me. You know how strong I got. Hawk strength. It's hard to zoom in. That's not supposed to look like that. Yeah, but there's the dash. All right, so basically what we're trying to do now is to chisel it out, make it loose. It is hot. It's not Florida hot, but it's hot enough. I'm gonna go ask my wife for an allowance so I could just. All right, so basically what I'm doing now is breaking the bead. It's the front wheel. I'm breaking a little bleeder valve so that you can gravity feed the I can't get on that one. Darn it. Let's see if that's. Looks like we might have a leak. I'm gonna get the jack. So we're back up here. Basically what we're doing is we're letting gravity try to bleed the brakes a little bit. I think we may have a leak up in the front, I'm not sure. But basically what I was just showing y'all is that just breaking the bleeder valves up there. If I can see it. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, right there, that little nipple right there by the on top of the brake. So we're letting them drain. Hopefully they'll start leaking soon. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna grab the dash. Got the wire harness and the diagram for the wire harness. Trying to figure this out. Maybe we can go ahead and get this thing hooked up before we go, because it'll be easier to get this thing on and off the trailer while it's running. It's running, but since we're here and we got some time waiting on that, I'm gonna try to go ahead and figure this out. Figure that's supposed to go in and out. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a start.
Let me show you how to do this here. Come on, here, you can do it.
All right, this is how you jump start a car from 49.
Plug that on that battery.
I'm afraid of electricity, Pops. You know that.
Then just click that.
This is gonna shock me. All right, contact. Woo! She's alive. She's white. You see? Running. Go back here. There's no smoke. No smoke. So we're about to get this wire harness going. We got 3 out of the 4 of the brakes going, but that's all we need to stop. Just 1 second. What's that? What's that? 3 out of 4 going. I think they wanted me to cut it off because I was smoking them out. You know, these kids, They just can't handle a little smoke, a little sun. Look at them. In here by the fan. Wait until y'all reach my age. Y'all will know what hard work is. All right, let's go and get this let's go get this wire harness put on, then we're gonna go do some donuts. All right, so now another issue that we gotta resolve is this. Well, I got this bolt right here, and hopefully this will like fit. Nope, it's too big. Maybe this plug will work. Nope, maybe if I glue it. This one definitely too big. All right, so basically what happened is this ripped off. I just said it, but just to reiterate on what happened. That's the brake fluid, but we're gonna need to get that fixed ASAP. All right, so this is what yes, Barry. So, all right, this is a few days later on a Tudor build. Tudor, if y'all asking. All right, so as we're heading back to my dad's friend's house and start working on it, we decided that we're going to bring it to my mother's house because everything mechanical is done, and it'll be easier for me to just hop out of bed and work on it while I'm just chilling instead of sitting around the house or driving almost an hour to work on this car. So I'm going to pull out the tow dolly, throw it on the tow dolly because it's not that far. I'm debating on whether or not I should take off the drive shaft because it's not that far, but it's far enough, and I really don't want no issues or problems. So I think I'm gonna chance it. It's a stick, so I'm gonna put it in neutral. Hopefully it doesn't fall down into gear. That's the only thing I'm really worried about. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing down to my mother's house and do the thing. Get this thing 100%. That way, yeah, when my dad, he drives it over an hour. All right, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the car. Show you the progress. The glass is back there, wrapped up. The dash is right there, wired up. We're ready to do this. I was gonna record me going over the wiring, but it was pretty easy actually. I thought it was gonna be harder, and I don't have a stand to actually sit this thing on, but I'll go over it with y'all once I get there and then go ahead and get this thing installed. All right, so we got a lot done. I didn't record anything because I don't got anybody to record, and I'm doing it all by myself in this. Oh man, it's just one of them events. All right, so it's back here. Oh shit. So sketched because I don't got nothing holding. I need to get chains for this dolly. I didn't even look and see if it had chains. I don't know. The wheel keeps turning. Let's see how it goes. Got a long ways to go. Alright. So just to show y'all some of the view. This is lovely Maryland. There's an OG in the front driving, guy in the way. I'm doing 40 because I ain't going to be doing more than 40 in this car anyway, so I'm just leave it at that. No, got nothing but time. Oh, looks like somebody having a birthday party. But yeah. You else back here? Okay. I feel bad for the cars behind me. Hey there. Oh, you can't even see it because the car. So you can see him. My car's been behind me forever. And I'm all over the road, so I need to get off of this and pay attention. I'll film once we get to the house. I'll get started filming. This is another day. Finally got a day down. I decided I'm not going to do anything as far as like visiting stuff. Sound like a gunshot. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all the parts that I have. Like I'm gonna lay them out, put this cover down, lay them out on top of it, and see what I have, and try to get this window fixed today. let's do it. All right, so I got the cover off. Excuse the wind if it's like really bad. But I got the cover off. Got a few things out. What I want to show y'all is that these right here, this is part like the lower end part that goes in the back right there on the wheel well. That's gonna be dope. I had them on. I don't know if y'all saw a picture that I posted, but I'll find that picture and I'll repost it. But yeah, it's a hot mess in here. I gotta clean up. It's not bad though. At least the floors are here, right? So I'm gonna get all this stuff out. That's the centerpiece for the grill. A lot of these parts look like I don't even need. Oh no. Yeah, there's the rearview mirror. That was so good. Put that up in a second then. All right, let me get this cleaned out. Let's just update. Yeah, the trunk. Hot mess too. This is all here, right? It's all here, except for the spare tire. But it's all good. I am not complaining. All right, so let me get the rest of this stuff out and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so this is pretty much everything. I left a few things in the trunk, and it's not a lot of stuff. Like, this is the old windshield wiper unit, and this is like the new one that my pops was rigging up. So I think I'm gonna try to do what he was doing and finish it, because it's not 6 volt anymore, it's a 12 volt. So he wants to put it in there so the wipers work faster. I don't mind, because I ain't trying to drive it in the rain, but it might be good to have just in case I get caught in the rain. Like I said, these go over the back wheel wells right here. That's dope. I can't wait to get this thing done. And I'm still on the fence of whether or not I want to keep the stock wheels on or put these on, keep these on. I dad threw these on. He had an idea, and I think I might finish his idea. Like, I'm just lower the front like 3 inches, because all you do is like, it's like a flip kit. Fords have a lot of flip kits, and I'm gonna keep the back that height and throw those rims on it, ride around, paint it black, make it nice and cheap, get the chrome redone, and that's it. Of course, get the clean up whatever interior needs to be cleaned up. Let's go inside. So I'm about to go get the broom and sweep this out, but the seats are like good. You ask me, like, I ain't gonna mess with the front seat, and I'm surprised it's that good. Like, this is, what, 70 years old? 80? 73 years old. Let's see, 49. Let's see, that's 50, 20. Yeah, 73 years old. And this is in great condition. The only thing that's messed up is the top here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just messed up a little bit. I think I could just have somebody just do that top part, and everything else is original. And the carpet, have that clean. I'm gonna sweep it out, sweep the seat out. I gotta find oh yeah, the window. There's a window contraption that makes it go up and down. The glass is in there, the new glass is right there. Oh, broken glasses inside the house, but I'm gonna go through these boxes and find the window crank. I found the door opener sitting on the floor, so got that. It's right here. Separate these because I have room. I didn't think I was gonna have that much room, so I put these together. All right, slide this out. Put this with the window. And that goes around the front, the windshield, because it's a split windshield. So that's crazy, because the mirror. I found the mirror and I was like, "What? I'm so pumped about this." So pumped about this build. It's crazy. So got the cover for that. Got the rearview mirror for it. For the side door, though, here's components right here. outside the window crank. Bam. This goes around the outer part of the door right here on the inside. I'm trying to do this, not step on anything, but yeah, on the inside right here. And got the door panel right there, goes here, that, and I need the window crank. And this will be back together, but I'm still have to take it apart because I'm missing the keyhole. So can't tell if I can unlock it or not using a screwdriver, but I think with the, let's look and see here, there's a hole. I don't know, but yeah, it's all up there, but it's easy to put on and take off, so it's no big deal. And clean that out, just go back to the trunk. Yep, just needs to be swept out, cleaned up. It's got all of the jack components, which is dope. Like, there's a long piece that sits on here, and there's a hook right there that hooks onto the body. This goes on the bottom, and that goes inside. And got the nut, the lug nut breaker bolt jammer wedgie thingy. So everything's here. It's got two of them actually, but I'm missing a lot. Well, I'm not missing them. I just gotta find the nuts and bolts for all these components. Oh, check this out. All right, see the grill? All right, that's perfect. Grill. All right, so this is the circular part. I'm gonna try to put a picture of the front grill. This is the circular part, like that goes in the front. Ain't that dope? Goes like that, not exactly like that, because you can see where it mounts right here. But it's got actually has the nuts to that, so I'm stoked about that. I'm missing some of the side trim. Like, I got the two doors, I got one rear, well, half of the rear, and I know it all was here, so I'm gonna have to find that or just go without it. But I like this. I like the chrome side trim. How about that? Because I know it's not here. Because I remember seeing it on the car when I first bought it. It's not in here. It's not back here. Let's see here. No. Hey, another pedal. So I got two gas pedals. See, I gotta mount this. Oh, good, the nuts are there. Nuts are there, so I'm gonna go ahead and undo them. Put that in, re-screw it back in, and call that a day. Oh, that's lucky. I just gotta find tools. I think my sister has some. All right, let me see if I can find some tools. All right, so this is what I've found so far, and I'm still looking for parts. But I found a turn signal for the front, and actually take them all over here. But what I discovered is that this piece right here, which I call, looks like a Excalibur sword. This goes right here. This goes on the front. I'm not gonna put it on because I need to paint the car. It'd be easier to just clean it up. Obviously, I gotta get this refinished. Look at that, it's horrible. Get that refinished, and I don't know, let's see what happens. And found the both glass parts of it, which is actually good, and the cover for the turn signals. So that goes there, which goes into the grill. So making progress. Oh, look what else I found. Now I gotta find 4 nuts to fit that, so I can install this and have a window in there and put that in there. Let's go to the box. All right, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm about to install the window. So I'm gonna have to get some nuts, but I got one so I can sit it in there. Hopefully it'll hold. If not, I'm gonna have to run to Home Depot to get some to match it. But right here, it's kind of old, but it still will work. Once I get to once I get to Florida, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in here. Look in the grill.
See that piece, that's the chrome piece? They might be the same size bolts holding that on. Maybe take a couple out of there.
Nah, I could go buy some. I want to take away, keep taking away.
I mean, the grill ain't gonna fall off. I mean, see them nuts there, the bolts underneath there? I think that's the same size. You only need like 2 of them. Jeff? That might be the same thread pitch.
Where y'all going? What you need?
Go ahead and cut.
Some like 1/4 inch.
Oh, not yet.
Well, I mean, get just extra footage.
I ain't no mechanic. I'm not gonna show me a book nearby so I can look at it. So I guess he taught you well, or showed you well, huh? Or YouTube, or which one?
You guessing?
Oh, hey, that'll take more than I can take.
That's gonna be patience. Patience.
I have patience.
You let the young man get down there every now and then. You gotta show me a boat or something, you know. I ain't know which name.
They look like 1/4 inch folks, I think.
1/4 inch? How long is it?
I got one on the seat.
Yeah, give me one. I need something like that.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, it goes behind there, Todd.
I know that. That's what I was trying to do, Pops. Come on, Pops. You showed me. See, that's what's wrong with y'all kids.
So the bolt you looking for is
That is wrong
Oh,
with y'all
I
kids.
got
the
one.
bolt he's looking for.
I would see something like that, yeah.
Yeah, we just put on for YouTube content. Yeah.
This gotta go between you. You know what? Believe me. You know what's the bad part about it? If I start doing it, I end up putting the screws and everything in. Because I won't want to stop. So you good. You good.
Oh, he's like Nate. He can't see. Once he start, he can't stop. Nate, shout out to you, Nate. We talking about you.
Who's that? The guy down there?
Uh-huh. What's it called? Go-karts or going fishing?
Yeah.
Shout out to go-karts or going fishing.
Want me to push that for you? Oh boy, so it's hot down there. We are.
Oh, yeah. He'll be in a pool right now. He been water like water ran. Yeah, like he dipped in the pool by now.
Gotcha.
And this will be sweating. All this be wet down here.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can bring the Merlin weather to Florida for a minute.
Huh.
I got it. Easy work. Working harder, not smarter.
There you go. You got it by now. Got it in, Chief?
Enough.
You got a screw?
No.
Give him
Took
that.
it
He's
to-
got some. You took it.
Let's get some screws.
Got a 1/4-inch bolt. Like I said, once you get home, I just look at all them bolts. I got a whole box of them. You can have them. They're brand new.
I got a lot at the house.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
gonna explain anything?
I just needed one more. That's all.
You gonna explain what you did, or?
All right. Basically, what it did was just be smart about it and use the most narrowest part. Did you get it? Were you sitting here when I did it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. So basically, what I did was I had to go past. Wow. All right. So I had to go past this little point right here. Hold on. I had to go past this point right here, and in order to do that, I had to squeeze this little. I don't know if y'all can see that. The narrowest part of it. I was trying to actually get this part past it first, and then actually use some common sense. I referred to my common sense manual, and it kicked in. Now this is in. Now I need is a. Why does that not even look right? This better work. It looks like it's off.
What?
The window.
Oh, it runs behind it, don't it? Get it straight?
No. It's off by like 2 inches.
Oh, there's enough place where it's gotta go.
You can take this apart too,
Watch this. Just took some screws out of this bolt.
All right, so we got the plastic piece out. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. It's beat bad. This is about 72, 73 years old.
What's that? Plastic?
Yeah, so I'm gonna throw some tape on the bottom of it. OG recommended put some tape on the bottom of it and then slide it on in there. But I gotta wait for a nut. Let's get the nut in there. Get that started so we're on hold.
I gotta go.
Nope, this is not floating. Got the window in. It was a process, I'm telling you right now. I wish I had my videographer out here to record it. But yeah, it was a process, but it's in there. But it's not in there fully. I gotta get like a little rubber seal along the bottom. Because this one right here, like I said a second ago, it's no good. So I got the window wound up. Hopefully it doesn't like fall or anything. Which it shouldn't. It should be locked in. And if it does fall, I know that it's not good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish sweeping the back out. I'm gonna get everything organized and put everything back together. Back in here. And chill with my wife. Alright, and here's how it looks afterwards. Look at that. You can actually see the floor. You can see the bench seat. This is the choke I gotta hook up still. No biggie. The thing I cleaned it, I thought I had to buy that cord. But as you see, it really starts without it. Look at that. And of course the glass. Perfecto. Need some armor all though. But that is beautiful. So in this video, part 1, we got the car running. We got the window put in. That's amazing, right? Managed to go through all the stuff right here. See what I need, which is nothing major from what I already knew I needed. Wow, look at this gap. I don't know what happened with that, but I'm gonna have to figure that out. And we managed to get the inside cleaned out to perfection. All right, well, thanks for watching the part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 of the video when we actually wire up the dash, which is sitting back here, and get this thing running by turnkey and do our road trip back to Maryland. Still debating on whether or not I'm gonna put what wheels on. Oh, we'll see in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.